Snack time! Ow! What? Who put this block here?
Ah, stuck? Thou must solve the puzzle to get thine snack.
This isn't a puzzle, you smurf! It's a brick blocking the fridge door!
Pardon me. I assumed thee cunning enough to solveth it.
Oh, I can solve one of your stupid puzzles, darling! How about this? Okay, sweetheart, here's a puzzle for you. What happens if I stuff this bomb down your pretty throat?
Yon soundeth less liketh a puzzle and more liketh a pathetic leak. I knew thou couldn't solve the puzzle.
My appetite is ruined. What's going on in here? Did I miss out on an explosion?
How hasn't thee know I doth not liveth in a household of cheats? The gent loosened it for thee, but next time the solution shan't be so easy. I'll hasn't thee know that I'll hasn't thee know I doth not liveth in a household of cheats. The gent loosened it for thee, but next time... No, wait. Oh, God, this is so hard.